Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can disable Windows Defender on Windows 10. Now, before we begin, I would like to say that I do not advise anyone to turn off Windows Defender, as it is one of the key components to keeping your Windows device safe. However, for some people that are using some form of applications, they might want to turn off Windows Defender, as it can interfere with the use of the app, and it might determine it as a virus when it's not because of the administrative controls the application has. So once again, I do not recommend turning it off, but if for some reason you do have to turn it off, this is the right video for you. To begin, what we're going to be doing is pressing your Windows button and going to the settings tab right here. From here, once it is opened up, we're going to be going to update and security. And as you can see here, we are the Windows update. What we simply have to do is go to Windows security, and we're muted with virus and threat protection account, firewall, app control, all that. What we're simply going to do is press on the open Windows security button right here. And as you can see here, if we have all of this stuff, we have firewall and net protection. So we have virus and threat as well. So virus and threat protection, if we press on manage settings, you can turn off real-time protection, which I do not recommend doing, but if you do have to, you can. Also in Firewall, you can press on Domain Network, Microsoft Defender, Firewall, which is what this video is for. You can turn it off. This will help protect your device, and I do not recommend turning it off. But once again, if you have to, you simply press on this. And if you ask for permission, you can press on yes. For me, I press on no because I do not want to turn it off. Anyways, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech's tutorials. Other than that, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Goodbye.